And these are the zombie chips. Okay, heroes. First video today for Takis lovers. Yeah, as you see, I have this giant box. Brought it for you lovers of Mexican Takis. And almost all Takis hot products look inside. The quantity is honestly giant from Takis chips. Okay, it would be an experience and a challenge at the same time. As you know, Takis are spicy, and its spiciness is historical. Heroes, here I have brought myself milk. Just in case I want a little bit of coolness or something, and we start with the experiment, of course, different tastes and flavors. And we start with this first Takis, which is Fuego. Fuego, what's its name? This is, of course, known. This is what Takis looks like. Look at the shape of the chips, folks. It's spicy, spicy, spicy. Come on, join me as we start the trial. See how it is wrapped in chili? In the name of God, we start. Honestly, this is very spicy. Extreme, look at its spiciness gauge. It tastes like lemon, as you are seeing here, drawn on it, lemon, and at the same time it's spicy. The spiciness overpowers the taste. Beautiful. My rating for it is a 6 out of 10. Honestly, I didn't like it. Look at this type. This is guacamole, avocado, and pepper. Let's see this guacamole. Oh, this is the shape. This shape. Look at how these chips have something like green on it. Green, like this. Okay, let's try it. I love this taste. It has a pepper taste, but it's not hot. I mean, the pepper flavor is there, in addition to the avocado. I recommend it. We are done with the guacamole. Blue heat, the blue heat. This is extreme. Its spiciness will be horrible, folks, and we are back to spicy. Oh, this is blue. This is blue, blue heat. How will this chip be? Oh, it's spicy. It's sour, sour, and spicy. Look at it. I would give this a rating of 8.5 because it tastes nice. This is 6 because it's just spicy. What do we have next? Crunchy fajitas, very spicy. It is also written in Arabic in case someone doesn't know English. Even here is written in Arabic. I guess this is being exported to Arabs, Arabic countries. As you can see here and read, the country of origin is Mexico. All of it is Mexican's origin, folks. This is crunchy fajitas. The color is red. Really, really, really all red. Look at the quantity of Takis here. Oh. Yes. Really spicy. I loved its taste. You feel like it's like more roasted. They over roasted it. Here you have, I rate it 7. Dragon sweet chili. Oh, the hot sweet dragon. Let's try it. Oh, look at its color. Its color is fine. Let's try it. Come on. There is some sweetness. With spiciness, you see that sweet hot sauce, sweet chili, the same taste. It has the hot label on it, but it's not extreme. The strong ones, they write extreme. 8. Of course, there are also other products coming here that are not chips. We will let them the last things to try. That means not only the tortilla. And here, what do we have? Ninja Teriyaki, this is it, in the Japanese style. We ate the unique crunchy fajitas in Middle East. Now we have Japanese teriyaki. Teriyaki, folks. This Takis is with the famous Japanese teriyaki sauce. The awesome teriyaki sauce, the taste is amazing. Wow, amazing. Here they wrote its hotness level, its rating is 7. And we have Queso Volcano here. This is with cheese and pepper. I love chili cheese. The smell of chili cheese. And this is its shape, this queso. Now.
This is amazing with cheese. Amazing this with cheese.
Nine. It's big. The zombie. What's this zombie? Limited edition. Zombie. Look at this chips. How that hand is popped. Grabbing the green chips here. Extreme. That means its spiciness is catastrophic, and this is Zombie's chips from Takis. Look, green. Come on, Zombie. Weird taste. How can I describe this taste? This is really a zombie here. It has a taste. Its spiciness is catastrophic, okay, but something, what is this taste? Even its smell is odd as well. It is really a zombie. The taste confuses you. The taste is not nice. I feel like I've tasted it before, but where? I don't know. It's written here, of course. Now I finally saw it. Habanero, cucumber, and lime. That means habanero pepper and cucumber and green lemon. And finally, it became a mix. I didn't like it. 5. What do we have next? What? Nitro or nitro? Habanero and lime, this is the same thing, but without cucumber. Just lemon and jalapeno pepper. Its chips are red. Its chips are very red, people. Look at it. What are these chips? Look how red. Extreme. This is extreme. Approximately the same taste as the zombie. No, honestly, no. The sourness in it is catastrophic. The sourness in it. Its sourness is terrible. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Its sourness. Very sour, these chips. This is sourness. Very terrible, terrible, terrible. Meaning the sourness in it overpowers the spiciness. Very sour. 4. 3. 0. Who eats this? Who eats this? Honestly, it just tastes sour. There's no other taste. Look at this. Its color is different. What do we have here? This is ranch. Ranch's flavor. The ranch's sauce. Let's see it, guys. Its color. Its color is normal, these chips. Yellow. This is the shape. Non-spicy, finally. Finally, the effort is compensated. This is not spicy. Great. Creamy, this is ranch. You see its shape? These are the chips. Honestly, this tastes amazing. I'll give it an 8.5 rating. I haven't found any chips that worth a 10 out of 10 yet. What's this? Duoz. This is mix. This is Duoz mix. Fuego Duoz, like the first one I tried, but this is mixed. The popcorn, this contains popcorn and what's its name from these chips. This, I swear, is like the first one I opened, Fuego. Let's see how the popcorn is. This is popcorn. This is obviously popcorn. No, I didn't like it. I mean, it's popcorn, sweet and spicy. 5. Well, now this product remains. We also have this, look at it. This is intense nacho, and it's not spicy. It's telling you that it is concentrated nacho cheese. Look at it, heroes, with cheese. You came in your time. 10. Finally, heroes, the chips that will take 10 out of 10 have come. Honestly, the taste is fantastic. It isn't spicy. It has cheese. I love cheese. I advise you to try Intense Nacho from Takis. Now we come to the products that aren't the same. What do we have here? It's chips. The Takis products don't end. I tried to cover all of their available products. This is Barbecue Blast. Barbecue. Oh, it's in the shape of potato chips, not tortilla, but original potatoes. Look at this. The potato flavor is screaming. The barbecue flavor is more. Look at their potato chip. How crunchy it is. It feels light. This is 9. This is 9. This is new. What's next? They're not chips. We have here hot nuts. This is hot peanuts. Nuts. Look at it. They are from Takis. Hot nuts. The shape is like this, peanuts. Listen to the crunchiness. Roasted and wrapped with an outer shell and the famous Takis seasoning. Honestly, it's amazing. It's spicy, medium heat. That means spiciness is not extreme, but it stays spicy. We give it the rating 8 out of 10, only one left. Roasted corn, hot chili, and lime flour. This is here corn, and here we have peanuts, and this corn. Look at this roasted corn from Takis. What is this corn? Honestly, I am a lover of roasted corn. Oh, this is from Takis. This is from Takis, my love. With the secret Mexican mix. Come on. 9 out of 10. It's amazing. And oh, the spiciness won't cause you any discomfort. Starting to get spicier spicy. And the last thing we have here from Takis is a lollipop. Look at it. It is in the form of lollipop with chili pepper powder to dip. I mean, they made it in a lollipop form and tell you that it comes with powder to dip in. Oh, look, people. What's the purpose of this? We have its powder here. It's really there. Look at it. There's a lot here. What's this, Takis? This is all chili and this is the lollipop. Sweets. Lollipop, folks, typical lollipop. You're gonna make me insane, Mexico. Does anyone else eat a lollipop like this? It's a lollipop. Trust me, it's a lollipop. Sugar and I mean...
It's written that it's with a chili powder to dip, they're saying...
You do this and you dip. Like there's anyone who dips sweets in chili? Chili and spices and salt in these things and eats it? Zero. These are my favorite today, of course. Intense cheese, guacamole, and the ranch, the barbecue. I like it. And this is also, I gave it approximately 8. And teriyaki, the fajitas, and the queso. I liked a lot of things. What's left? No, we have some left, of course. The Fuego, I didn't like it. The cheese, the zombie. I mean, this Nitro, this no one brings it. This, the father of sour chips. For people who likes the sourness a lot, look at it, even its color is different. Even if bring the most red thing I saw in chips, which is Fuego. Look at the difference. Look at the difference between them. Look at the difference between the colors and the pickles. Here you have the dragon also. Its color is different. And this is the Ninja Teriyaki. This is its color. I mean, there is nothing. It's the reddest one among them, except the fajitas because its color is strong. And this is the fajitas, which we said that its color was strong. Look at it. The reddest one among them. How did they make it like this? No, the sourness, my brother. Its sourness is severe. The sourness won't let you speak. And the delicious one...
This is amazing.
Like this, heroes. As you've seen, we have reached the end of this video. I've tried pretty much all the types of Takis. Don't forget to like, and I thank you for watching. Write down your favorite flavor of Takis in the comments.